Welcome back, dear children, to your maths class. As you all know, we are continuing with the chapter number 5, numbers up to 100 from our workbook. As we had already done numbers up till now, we are just revisiting the topic and seeing how in different concepts, different numbers can be asked. So we did complete, what we already know, like before, after, matching picture to the number and counting in tens. Today, what we will be going ahead and doing is counting how many biscuits. Okay, so immediately you'll have to write today's date, which is 7.1.2121. Quickly do this. Open page number 89. Open this page number 89. Yeah, please open this and keep it ready. Isn't it? So we will continue from this page onwards, again revising what we have learned from numbers 1 to 50. Same, we have moved now from 51 to 100 and we are growing in numbers. So the way we look and solve couple of the sums are going to be different, isn't it? So shall we go ahead and solve this first? Let's read. Children, I am purposely taking the book practice with you all because I am observing you are not doing continuous reading at home, even while we are in the interactive classes that we are having together. I have observed that you are not taking the regular classes, that is reading, and also not attending the online class, which is quite a surprising thing, because reading is something that not only I, principal ma'am, as well stressed, mummy and daddy are as well telling you, but you're not sitting to study is what I have come to know. So I am going back to the basics, that is, I've taken out the books and taking the reading practice with you, so that you are able to frame sentences and understand what you are reading, how you are reading, while you're reading. How many biscuits? So I think there is a bag of 10 biscuits here. We are going to see how we move ahead. Count how many biscuits. There are 10 biscuits in a roll. So let us count one biscuit bag. 1, 2. So do we count it like this? No. Tens. 20, 30, 40, 50. And 3 lose 1. 51, 52, 53. What is the number that it makes? 5, 3, 53. Let us move to the other one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So there's 60 here. 1 lose 1. Number is 61. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And how many lose ones? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 5 is given here. 75 the number becomes. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 80, and how many lose ones? Lose ones are, let's see, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So lose ones are 8. Number becomes 88. We come to the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How many lose ones? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 96, and again the final number is 96. My dear children, the reason this is taught us in this particular manner is, as you see here closely, now in each packet there are 10 biscuits. But if I sit for counting from 1 to 90, imagine how much time will it take? A lot of time. and I will not be able to solve my paper nicely and in the given time. So for me to have a given time being that is allocated and I finish my paper, the way I have taught you, counting is important for us to do. So please make sure that you are reading as I'm telling you, isn't it? And this process is also called building numbers. It is also called building numbers. Okay. Let us solve some of the queries that are there. Here the number strip is given to us. Now the number strip can be from any number to any number. It is given from 49 to 59. You can see the number 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Let's read the question. Write the number 1 has been done for you. Now in building numbers, same thing. If it is a complete pack of 10, we count it in 10s and 20s, right? In 10s. Here it is given. How many buildings are there? 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 52 loose ones. 52. So we will write it like this. 2 will come in ones and 50 will come in tens. 5, 2, 52. Let's see here. Let's count the building. Now each building block is a set of 10. Once it is 10, it is a packed deal for us. We will read it like this. 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So the number is 5, 5, 55. We read it like this. 5 tens and 5 ones makes the number 55. This is how. One more I will do, then you will do. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. 5 tens and 7 ones makes the number 57. We write the number like this. Again, 5 tens and 8 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Sorry, I beg your pardon. 5, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 5 tens and 8 ones makes the number 5, 8, 58. Like this we have to do the other ones also. Here the number strip is from 56 to 69. We don't have to show anything on the number. This is just for our information. In between these numbers, these questions are given. Write the number 1 has been done for you. This is done. We do this one. 6 tens and 4 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 61, 62, 63, 64. Number becomes 6, 4, 64. Same way, the bottom ones. You are going to do it at home. Again here, you can see the number strip is being mentioned. You have to look at the number strip, make the number, place it in tens and ones. Here it is from 69 to 79 and here it is from 79 to 89. This page is for homework. I know you are doing it all at home, but all of this has to be done by you. Okay, you can ask questions and answers to mommy and daddy after you have done, but try doing it on the basis of what I taught you here. Let's go to the worksheet for the day. Write Standard 1 Section E, your full name in cursive writing, and we begin. Count and write the number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. So the number becomes 7676. Write 76 here. Next number. Same way. Now you do this one. I will keep on leaving some of them for you so that you are able to do the counting properly. We move ahead. Count how many biscuits. There are 10 biscuits in each group. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 loose ones 4, 61, 62, 63, 64. Number is 64. I'll do the first two. A and B, and last one you will do. Let's count. You can cut and count the bundle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. So here it is 80 plus 3 biscuits loose. Number becomes 83, 83. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 5 loose ones. Number becomes 75, 75. Similarly, you complete the last one. Keep it all ready. I'll check it and see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.